second thing that actually I want to talk to all of you is that what is changing is more important than what is there. Okay, what it means that we have been doing our business in a particular way, and we have been having products, and we have been servicing the customers. We have been doing a great job of satisfying the customer. But what is changing is actually creating a new paradigm altogether. And what is this new paradigm? I had the chance of about half an hour in the morning because the program got started a little late. So what I did is that I created, what's changing is something I would like to call SWIM, S-W-I-M. And you will find that this acronym is born only about a few minutes back. And that actually will bring, some of you may agree, some of you may not agree, but S stands for satellite. Now, satellite is changing big time. The whole, anything that we know is being impacted by satellite. And satellite, why? Because you have now high throughput satellites which are coming along. And these satellites are able to give you gigabit level connectivity to any place. Has not been recognized globally as a medium of surveillance, as a medium of communication, as a medium of connecting things effectively. India has taken lead in satellite technology, and also many satellites are in the sky providing the whole thing. So recognizing all of that, we have to see how do we, because the major challenge in front of the country has been how do we connect the far-flung areas, villages, all of that. What we saw was the second part of the SWIM. It's called Wi-Fi. Many of you know Wi-Fi, which is indoor, which is corporate, but Wi-Fi is changing big time. And big time change means what? Let me begin with the end, something called Wi-Fi 6. Now, Wi-Fi 6 has got almost same capabilities that you are expecting from 5G, eNote B. It has MIMOs. It has got all the encoding schemes that you look for, and it delivers you 10 gigabit per second Wi-Fi. Latest released about 3 months back, and we have tried it, we have built it in C-Dot Labs, and other than mobility, which is typical in the mobile world, this Wi-Fi 6, I would call poor man's 5G. What it means is that this has the capability of servicing almost all the applications that you have come across. The only trouble will be that how do you connect the mobility? And you have heard about the WANI framework, which is being proposed by TRAI, which provides some degree of mobility that you buy Wi-Fi services in one place and you can go around. Also, C-Dot has done many experiments. We have put Wi-Fi inside the bamboo. Bamboo? I'm serious. Why? Because the portability of the bamboo is so easy. You can put it anywhere and it should do Wi-Fi. Just an example. Because Wi-Fi is getting outdoor, getting more capable. We also did Wi-Fi in balloon. See, you do for advertising all those balloons. Why not put Wi-Fi on top of it? It gives you more coverage, about 2 kilometers on Wi-Fi. We also did long distance Wi-Fi that goes 10 to 20 kilometers. We did optical Wi-Fi, solar Wi-Fi that works without battery, works without anything. So when sun is out, it will give you Wi-Fi. And if you have a battery, of course, you can sustain that. What I'm saying is second W, SWIM, Wi-Fi is becoming very important. Change. Third thing is very commonly talked about is actually Internet of Things. Okay? Or it is also known as IoT. It is also known as the automation tool. And consequently, it is important for us to figure out what the heck is going to happen. The point you made, Dr. DeCosta made, who's accountable? A program has been designed and kept on a computer, and that is encrypted with an actuator. An actuator is where it can be anywhere. And I just now talked about satellite connectivity. It may be connected through satellite. So now you come back, and then the plunger goes out, gets inside a bottle filled with something. And you just can't catch anybody. You just don't know. So this paradigm of IoT has to actually be augmented by many other advancements in the technology. And one of those has been designed by the world, 8 standard bodies, and I will name a few of those to give you actually an idea as to what's going on in this area. ETSI, European Telecommunication Standard Institute, which is a standard body. Also 3GPP, which defines 5G. Also the TSDSI, Telecom Standard Society, Development Society India, TSDSI. Korean standard body, Chinese standard body, Japanese standard body. All of those came together and built one common standard called Common Service Platform, M2M. The name of this standard is ONE, O-N-E, M, number 2, M, 1 M2M. And consequently, the whole paradigm of the smart city is going to undergo change. This standardization has already happened. ITU is going to adopt it. So it is a non-trivial thing that I'm talking about. And what it does is that all information comes from sensor and get distributed to all the applications. Consequently, there is no blockage by one company's walled garden. And you have open information available to everybody from this platform. So that's why this I of IoT is going to be very important. And last thing in the swim is actually monitoring and security. If you can't monitor, earlier on they used to say if you can't measure, you can't manage it. Now it is if you can't monitor it, you can't run it almost, right? Monitoring of all the data, all parameters for the purpose of security. And that what's happening there is that attacks are increasing both in size. So just imagine an equipment getting attack of 1 gigabit per second on all the ports. Earlier on, the duration used to be 5 minutes. Now duration is 5 hours, constantly being attacked. And it is not able to do its own function, right? Why? Because it is busy responding to everybody, right? Coming from all the sides. And consequently, the security and all other functions get defunct. And that's why monitoring of the behavior of all of these equipment using artificial intelligence, using the maintenance using artificial intelligence, finding out the pattern and behavior, all of this is going to be very important. AI is part of monitoring, right? All that behavior patterns and stuff like that. So that's why the change which are happening is allowing us to really look at the next generation of business. How will we do that, right? I mean, I'm sure that some of us have the solution because most of the people are working here. They are very good in firewalling. They are very good in actually creating integrating different applications. Also, cameras, security. Done a great job. This industry has moved forward very, very well.